Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and today's video is a skincare video. So if you're interested in makeup, beauty, fashion, and everything in between, then just hit that red subscribe button, become part of the family, and I hope you enjoy the video. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this video. I am talking about in this video a new skincare product that has been making such a huge difference in my skin. So let's get into it. So for those of you who don't know about derma rolling is basically, okay, I know this might sound a little scary. It's basically like a small needle, and there's a few of them, very tiny. They have different sizes, but for the at-home derma rolling that I do, it's a very small, fine, thin needle, and it is over and across pretty much the entire surface of the roller. And basically what you do is you roll it onto your skin, and what that does is that removes dead skin cells, since, as you all know, or maybe you don't know, your skin cells shed every 28 days. So every 28 days your dead skin cells shed and you get a whole new layer of skin. I know it may not seem like it, but that is true. So what derma rolling does is it helps those skin cells to shed faster. It helps with fight wrinkles. I noticed that there was like a wrinkle in the middle of my forehead, and I noticed that it's actually going away because I've been trying this for the past 3 weeks. It's once a week that you do it, and so just once a week, pick any day of the week, you just do it one time. I usually do it on Sunday evening. And so I've noticed that the wrinkle in the middle of my forehead has been going away. And I've also noticed that my skin is so much smoother, and the dark spots that I have are actually starting to fade a little bit faster than the way that they would normally fade, which takes very long. If anyone knows, dark spots usually take almost 6 months. Yeah, just to go away. So I'm noticing that they're fading a little faster, and I'm also using a dark spot fading cream to also help with my dark spots. So what it is, as I mentioned, it helps to get rid of the dead skin cells and bring the newer ones to the surface faster. I know that they do this process like at different salons, and it is pretty costly. So they developed an at-home method for you to try. So I've been trying it just to see if it made a difference in my skin, and it has dramatically made a difference in the smoothness, the texture of my skin, as well as my pores are pretty much shrunken, as well as the wrinkle, as I mentioned, in the middle of my forehead. I'm noticing that it is slowly but surely pretty much going away. So I'll include a demo here of how it looks. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm getting ready for this. Don't mind the look. I took off contacts, took off makeup, and what I'm gonna do now, after I cleanse my face with a normal cleanser, I'm going to pour some of this sweet almond oil, and I'm going to dab it on my face. Everywhere. I'm going to get a derma roller, just like this, and then I'm gently going to go 5 times in one direction, and then move over to the next section of my face. So I'll show you guys. So it's like that. I'm gonna do it again on this side, and then I'll speed up the rest of my face. And that's it. Next, I'm going to soak that again in alcohol for about 30 minutes and then put it to dry. And then I'm just gonna pat the rest of the serum into my face. So I hope you guys enjoyed that demo of how I do it. As I mentioned, I will usually wash my face with just a regular cleanser. I use a Burt's Bees cleanser for sensitive skin. It doesn't have anything in it. It's just a regular cream cleanser. I wash my face with it. If I'm getting off my makeup, I use a makeup remover wipe before. Then I use the cleanser to make sure everything is off my skin. And then I will usually go in with a little bit of oil. As I mentioned in the video, the oil that I use. And then I put a small layer on my skin, and then I go in with the Derma roller. Now, I will say, pretty much like as a disclaimer, that if you are not sure how this will affect your skin, make sure you ask a skin esthetician or your dermatologist if you have one, and ask them what the benefits are and if you should do it. So of course, don't try anything if you have like really severe acne or anything like that without consulting a doctor or dermatologist first. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course I will follow up this video with more like a 3-month update just so you guys could really see the benefits. So I've already started taking pictures of how my skin looks now. That way I can show you like really a before and after. I know I included one in my thumbnail, so that picture was like a few months ago when my skin was really bad and broken out, and so it really has helped the past 3 weeks that I've been using it, just to help. I just need help fading the dark spots that I have faster. Have you guys tried derma rolling? Are you interested in it? I also put in my description box where I got my product from, the Sedara skincare microneedle derma roller. As I mentioned, it's 25 millimeters. It's really fine, and of course it looks like this. As you can see, 0.25 millimeters, and you see the actual little very tiny and fine needles. So the way you want to do it is you obviously want to make sure that you cleanse your derma roller, and it also mentions on the box, make sure you replace it every 2 to 3 months if you use it weekly, as I said, 1 day out of the week. So let me know if you're interested in trying this. If you have tried this before, how has it worked for your skin? If you have any skincare remedies that help fade dark spots, let me know down below. I'm definitely open to new suggestions and trying things out. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. Share this video on social media with all of your family and friends, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. I have a bunch of fun new videos coming up for you guys. I really am excited to show you guys all the new videos that I have coming up. So make sure you stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I will see you soon. Bye.